Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you, with a friend of mine called Paige, who I work with in a gym here on the Gold Coast, I'm going to show you how to do a barbell back squat. I really hope you enjoy this video, and this video was part of a series of videos that we did for the gym for new members to come along and stuff like that. So if it sounds like it's part of a bigger workout, that's why, because it is, but the instruction itself is still valid. And I really wanted to share that with you. And that video is coming up right now. Okay everybody, so we're going to start with the barbell back squat. We've got the lovely Paige here to demonstrate the workout or the exercise for us. So let's talk you through how to do this exercise. So we're going to get an Olympic bar, it's 20 kilos. Just be very careful with that. And we're going to rack it up onto the racks just like so. You can see it's on some handles there, which is really awesome. Now, I'm going to ask Paige to duck under the bar and we're going to rest it on the shoulders. Now, if I bring you in a little bit closer, what we want is we want it across the shoulders here. We don't want it on the neck here, and we don't want it all the way down the back here. Right across the top of the shoulders, and that means that we're going to have a very nice static position, and we're going to, the weight is going to be balanced perfectly for when we do the whole movement. So that's about where you want it. And then what I'd ask Paige to do is, when she's ready, stand up to lift the bar out and stand back by 2 steps. Excellent work, lovely. Now Paige, what you're going to do is you're going to keep your chin down for me, brace your core with a big deep breath in, and then you're going to slowly break the hips and the knees at the same time to descend to the floor. Excellent. Good work. And then push through the floor to stand up. Excellent. And I'll have a couple more, please. Good. Another one. Excellent. And just return it back into the rack. Be nice and careful. Make sure it's set. Come down. Watch your head as you come out. Great. Now what I'm looking for when she does that squat is I'm looking to see whether her heels are coming up off the floor, because that's not ideal. And that might mean that she's not coming back in the hips enough. What else would we be looking for?
You're looking for a torso lean.
Yep.
So you want to keep the torso as upright as you can. You don't want that bar to pull you forward. Right?
Absolutely.
Watching those ankles, that they're not falling in, keeping your knees over your toes. Again, like Adam said, watching those heels, keeping the weight back, pushing through the full foot, standing tall.
Cool.
Remember that breathing. That breathing in, bracing your core, is going to create that inter-abdominal pressure, which is going to protect your organs and give you the best lift.
The other thing I will look for, would you mind getting under the bar for me again, Paige? Thank you. I'm just going to bring you onto a side view here. Now, to talk about sort of whether we know whether we're getting the squat right and whether the bar path is coming down, I'm going to show you that we want the bar to descend almost in a straight line all the way down. So lift the bar out for me, Paige. 2 steps back, big breath in, and just watch the bar. We want it to descend completely and utterly vertically across the midline of the foot, and we want it to come up across the midline of the foot. Good. If you see the bar flopping forward, just could you do one flopping forward a little bit for me, please? Thank you. If you see the bar come forward like you did there, then we know that actually we need to address something in our hips and our knees with the form of that exercise. Lovely. Put it back for me. Great. And that's the barbell back squat. In terms of choosing what weight is best, what advice would you give, Paige?
I would start body weight to begin with, then go with a free weight 10 bar, and then slowly take it up from there.
Absolutely. The best thing to do is obviously not come onto here, grab one of these bars, slap on a load of weights, and then get yourself into trouble. Build slowly, build steadily, and with lots of confidence. I really hope you enjoyed watching this exercise tutorial video by me, the gym starter. Thank you so much for being here. If you want to hit subscribe and follow, that would be awesome. And you can follow me elsewhere on social media as well. I'm on Instagram at @the_gym_starter, TikTok at the gym starter, or for some of my best long form content, just head to my website, which is www.thegymstarter.com/blog, and you'll be able to read some really in-depth articles on there. I almost forgot to say as well, you can get a free copy of my book, 27 Ways to Faster Fat Loss, 2nd edition, by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you so much for being here. It means a great deal to me. I hope you have a great day. Ciao, ciao.